Checking who subscribed to your channel should be simple, but as of March 2026, recent updates to YouTube's privacy settings for new accounts means fewer names show up in your public list than did last year. Most tutorials stop at showing you the See All Subscribers section. But after my last video on this got over 108,000 views, I realized that knowing how to check your subscribers is useless unless you know how to make videos that get more subscribers on YouTube. Today, I'm going to show you the technical steps to find your subscriber list and see who has subscribed to your YouTube channel. And then I'm sharing the exact framework I used to get over 20,000 subscribers and 6 million views on this channel. Let's jump onto our laptop and see who has subscribed to your YouTube channel. From the YouTube homepage, we need to head up to the top right-hand side, click on our channel icon, and then select YouTube Studio. Once we're inside YouTube Studio, you can scroll down below your comments and see your recent subscribers. I want you to click the See All button. Now, here's the technical part most people miss. Click the See All button. By default, it shows the last 90 days. To see everyone, hit the top right drop down and select Lifetime. Pro tip for 2026, if you're on mobile, the Studio app is limited. You must use a mobile browser in the desktop site mode to see the specific list of subscribers. Also remember, you'll only see people who have their subscription set to public. If they're private, they won't show up here, even if they watch every single video of yours. The reason this list matters isn't just for curiosity. My previous video on this topic reached over 100,000 people. But looking at that list is how I realized who was actually watching my videos. When I saw big creators, some over 1 million subs appearing on my list, it changed my entire perspective. I realized I wasn't just making videos, I was building community. This is where we move beyond the basic tutorial. I hit 20,000 subscribers by using a helpful content framework. When you check your subscriber list, look at the subscriber count column. If you see people there with their own established audiences subscribing to you, it's a signal that your content is high value. I stopped chasing viral hits and started looking at my audience retention heat maps. I asked, what specific problem did I solve in the first 2 minutes that made this person hit that subscribe button? By aligning my search intent with the actual helpful solutions, I turned a how-to channel into a 6 million view engine. Understanding who is behind the numbers is the first step to growing your subscribers. If you're a new creator and you want feedback on your video ideas before you hit record, I've linked our free YouTube community down below in the description. We help you nail your titles and thumbnails so you can reach monetization faster. And if you haven't nailed down your specific niche yet, you need to watch this video next. It'll help you find your focus for your channel in under 5 minutes. I'll see you over there.